In previous class we discussed the topic community leadership. In today's class we will be discussing the topic communalism. Communalism is a system in which members of a community come together and do things collectively in the interest of the community. Communalism exists in our traditional societies, where assistance or help is given to individual members of the community. Harmony is a strong feature of such a community. Progress, peace and love can also be clearly seen in that type of society. Attributes of communalism. The following are the attributes of communalism. Togetherness. This means doing things collectively as one body for the interest of all. Love. In a communal society, there is love and deep interest for one another. Cooperation. People work together, helping each other, in order to achieve the goals of the community. Justice and fair play. In a communal society, people are treated fairly when matters concerning them and other members of society are handled. Sharing. Members of a communal society see themselves as one, and, because of the love in the community, they share things with one another. Dialogue. Issues affecting the community are discussed before decisions are taken in the best interest of all. In a communal society, there is a high level of togetherness and unity. Thanks for watching. See you in our next video.